everyone. So today, guess what? I'm going to use this Gopro Hero 9 sa Seef. So, yun nga. Nagtanong ako sa TikTok account ko kung saan nyo ako gustong unang gamitin itong Gopro Hero 9. And you decided sa Seef. Ayan nga. So, 57% to buy Seef. So, we're going there today. So, let's go. So, we're almost there. Seef District is a tourist destination located near Al Fahid Historical Neighborhood of Bur Dubai. Seef timings are Sunday to Wednesday 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Thursday to Saturday 10 a.m. to 12 midnight. For the F&B, Sunday to Wednesday 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Thursday to Saturday 10 a.m. to 12 midnight. Getting here, you can use by RTA water taxi. So this is the Seef Marine Transportation Station 1. Abra is a traditional boat made of wood and used to ferry people across Dubai Creek. The area is spread into two distinct bases. There is an area with modern buildings and there are buildings which are made to look an old town, with wind towers and stone Arab structures reflecting back to historical Dubai. Where the old meets the new. This is the tagline of Seef Dubai. Going around, you will find a lot of interesting pieces here in Seef Dubai. Just for example of this mosaic chandelier. Seef gives the visitor a glimpse into the past culture of the UAE. I was amazed with the restroom too. Here is for the men and here's for the women. So if you'll go inside, you'll see an amazing design of restroom. And the restroom was immaculately clean. Internet was so obsessed with this Starbucks in Dubai Seef. Do you know why? Because of its unique design and plus the fact that you will get a very scenic view of creek from this cafe. So of course, Dubai is very famous for its spices. They have it here too. And while going around, you'll find a lot of interesting things here, like this. Aside from this Jelly Belly ice cream, you'll find this booth in Seef. This is perfect for your selfies, dramatic videos. So this is until Ramadan ends only. So if you're here, might as well try this. So you'll find a lot of shops like this that sell Arabic dresses, Arabic inspired dresses, shawl, and some pillowcases, and etc. And you'll find this display there too. And I was amazed with these dresses. And of course, a lot of souvenir shops. An added attraction are the dough cruise. A dough cruise is a traditional wooden boats which are attractively illuminated and offer the visitor an opportunity to have dinner on board while cruising the gentle waterways of the Dubai Creek. Actually offer here a weaving lesson here for kids and adults. Along this side, you'll find a lot of restaurants that offer from family dinner to just a cup of coffee or tea. Actually, during the day, most of the shops are closed. But if you just wanna appreciate the structure, the old Dubai, then better to come in the afternoon. Less people, less crowd. Welcome to Seef Art on the Creek. This is another Ramadan display. And here is the heritage soup. So I guess that is it. So thank you for watching to this vlog, and hope you like this. Please don't forget to subscribe, and see you on my next vlog.